Good morning, dear students. Today we will revise page number 56 of chapter 5. In the previous class, we have done revision of page number 55, question answers, and this book exercise we have done. And today we will revise page number 56. Look for these action words in the story, then write their different forms. Action words जो होते हैं वो verbs को हम action words भी बोलते हैं because ये हम जो भी work हम कर रहे हैं that action we are doing, that is called, this is action words also. So these are different forms of verb. Different form means this is present, like first form, this is past, second form, past participle, third form, and these are present participle, means कि verb की first form plus ing. So first one is sit, second form is sat, third form is sat, and present participle is sitting. So spelling will be, T will be double, so sitting. Next is try, tried, tried, trying. Third one is say, said, said, saying. Say is the first form, said is the second form, again said is the same third form, and then saying. Then eat, second form is ate, third form is eaten, eat, ate, eaten, and eating. Ask, asked, asked, means in both the second form and third form we use ed. Ask, asked, asked, and asking. Get, got, got is the second form, gotten is the third form, getting. When we use ing, T will be double. Feel, felt, felt, feeling. Find, found, found, same, finding. Look, looked, looked, looking. Hear, heard, heard, hearing. Drink, drink, drunk, drunk. See, the difference is in the second form it is a, and in the third form it is u. So drunk, drunk, drinking. Catch, caught, caught, catching. You have to see each word, each spelling carefully so that you can learn. Make, made, made, making. Come, came, come, coming. Spelling is, in the second form it use a, came, and the third form is also the first form, and third form will remain the same. So came, come, coming. Then begin, begun, began, begun, begun, begun. See the difference, a it's in the second form and u it is in the third form. You have to see each spelling, each form carefully, then you will understand these form of the verbs. Begin, begun, begun, beginning. See the spelling also. Spend, स्पेंड के जो सेकंड फॉर्म दैट इज स्पेंट, स्पेंट, स्पेंडिंग, चेंज, changed, changed, changing. In these form of verb, most of the word that is of second form and third form are remain same. Like set, set, same. Tried, tried, same. Said, said, same. Ask, asked, same. Felt, felt, same. Found, found. Looked, looked. Heard, heard. Caught, caught. Made, made. Spent, spent. Changed, changed. Only 3 or 4 are there whose spelling will be different or pronunciation also will be different. So that will be ate, eaten. So you have to learn that. Ate, eaten, got, gotten. And drunk, drunk. Spelling will change. Here is A will come and in the third form U will come. Caught, caught. Made, made. That will be remain the same. Then came, come. C-A-M-E, C-O-M-E, come. Then begun. Spelling A will come here in the second form and in the third form U will come. Spent, spent. Changed, changed. And here when we use present participle means verb की first form, इसमें जब हम ing लगाएंगे तो जो word बनेगा, here are these words sitting, trying, saying. It's not कि हम इसको simple ing लगा देंगे, but we have to see the spelling also. Sitting, trying, saying, eating. In this way, like getting, double T will come. Spending. So learn these form of the verb that is on page number 56. Carefully learn that.